You can go to Blender. Fine. So we have one more file, right? That pi. So we should add the add-on here as well. How to get the JSON from After Effects to Blender. That is what we are checking right now. Okay. So in order to get that one, we should add one add-on here on the Blender. So let me go to Edit, Preferences, and I will go to this particular option here, arrow button, and Install from Disk. Now if I check, I have import com to blender.py. I will select this one and install from disk. So you can see it is installed. Okay. So you can go here. In my case, auto save preference is selected. If it is not selected, you just save the preference, close the Blender and reopen it. Now if you go, so what I will do, I will just click A so that it will select all, then click delete. Okay, I just deleted. Now I will go File, Import, After Effects Composition Data. You can see that you can click. Now what I will do, I will select the JSON file which I created just now. This is the one, and import AE comp. You select this. Now you can see I got these two and I have a camera. Now as a first step, what we should do, we should come to timeline. Okay. So let me come here, scroll, then you can see the first point, the first keyframe is on 0. Basically on After Effects, the frame it will start from 0. Okay. But in our Blender it is from 1. That's why what I am doing right now, you can see everything is selected. That's why it is on yellow color. If I click somewhere, you can see everything turned into like gray. Okay. Now nothing is selected. So in our case, it should select everything. So I will hit A so that it will select all. And let me click this and bring it to 1. So this is the first step. Okay. And the second step, you can go to output. Okay. Check for the resolution. Resolution is 1920x1080. This is not the resolution we want. We want the resolution of which one? We want the resolution of this composition. Why? Why? Because we took the render of this composition, right? If you are not trimming and you are using the actual footage, then you can check for this video. Okay. So if you select here, you can see what is the resolution. So it is 3840x2160. Okay. Now in our case, we took the render of this composition. That's why I'm selecting this, right click, composition setting. Okay. I can go here. At that time you can see this is the width. I will click this, Command C or Control C, go to Blender, click this, Control V. Okay. Then what I will do, I will go After Effects again, select the height, then I will go to Blender, paste it below, and I will go to After Effects again, check for the frame rate, it is 30. Then I will go to Blender, frame rate is 30. Okay. So this one you should take care of. If in case you are not trimming the video, at that time you can take this actual raw footage as the reference, because you are taking the actual footage, right? And you can take that resolution. So that you have to keep it in mind. Now this is done. And the next step is I will go to camera and camera, 3D tracker camera. At that time you can see the camera data came here. I will select this, go to background images, add image, movie clip, open. Now which one I should take? I should take the trimmed video. So I will go there. So you can see trimmed raw.mp4. I will select this. Now you cannot see anything. To see something, you have to click 0 on number pad. Now you can see the video is here. If I play, everything is perfect, right? Now what I will do, I will go to here and let me increase the opacity. So this is also done.